Artificial intelligence (AI) has emerged as a transformative technology, revolutionizing various industries and opening up new avenues for financial prosperity. With its ability to process vast amounts of data, analyze patterns, and make informed decisions, AI presents a remarkable opportunity to generate significant income. In today's video, we will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to earn $10,000 per month with AI. Without further ado, let's begin. Step 1. Develop a solid understanding of AI. Before diving into the practical aspects of AI, it is crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts. Familiarize yourself with the different types of AI, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Gain insights into AI algorithms, neural networks, and data preprocessing techniques. Explore relevant online courses, books, and resources to build a strong foundation in AI. Step 2. Identify lucrative AI applications. To earn a substantial income with AI, it is essential to identify high-demand applications. Research industries that are ripe for AI integration, such as finance, healthcare, e-commerce, marketing, and cybersecurity. Assess the current challenges faced by these industries and brainstorm innovative AI solutions that can address these pain points effectively. Step 3. Acquire AI skills. To unlock the earning potential of AI, it is crucial to acquire the necessary skills. Develop proficiency in programming languages like Python, R, or Java, which are widely used in AI development. Gain expertise in popular AI frameworks and libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Additionally, hone your skills in data analysis, statistics, and mathematical modeling to leverage AI effectively. Step 4. Build a diverse dataset. AI models heavily rely on high-quality datasets for training and validation. Identify relevant sources of data for your chosen AI application. Consider leveraging publicly available datasets, acquiring data from APIs, or even creating your own dataset through data scraping. Ensure the data is comprehensive, clean, and properly labeled to yield accurate AI models. Step 5. Develop AI models. With a strong understanding of AI and relevant skills, start building AI models tailored to your chosen application. Explore different approaches such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning, depending on the problem at hand. Experiment with various AI architectures and algorithms to achieve optimal performance. Iterate and refine your models through rigorous testing and validation. Step 6. Deploy AI models. Once your AI models are developed, it's time to deploy them in real-world scenarios. Create a scalable infrastructure to host your models, ensuring efficient data storage and processing capabilities. Leverage cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for cost-effective deployment. Fine-tune your models based on feedback and continuously monitor their performance to ensure optimal results. Step 7. Monetize your AI models. To earn a substantial income with AI, explore different monetization strategies. Consider offering AI consultancy services, where you can provide expert advice and develop tailored AI solutions for clients. Alternatively, build AI-powered products or software applications and commercialize them through licensing or direct sales. Explore opportunities for partnerships, collaborations, or even launching your own AI startup. Step 8. Market your AI expertise. Establishing yourself as an AI expert is crucial to attract clients and customers. Build a professional online presence through a website or blog, showcasing your expertise, previous projects, and success stories. Contribute to AI communities and forums, participate in industry events, and publish research papers or articles to enhance your credibility. Leverage social media platforms and online advertising to reach a wider audience. Step 9. Continuously upgrade your skills. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying up to date with the latest advancements is vital. Invest time in continuous learning and professional development. Attend workshops, conferences, and webinars to expand your knowledge. Join AI communities and engage in knowledge-sharing activities. Regularly update your skill set to remain competitive in the ever-changing AI landscape. Step 10. Scale your AI business. As your AI ventures flourish and generate revenue, focus on scaling your business. Hire talented professionals with complementary skills to support your operations. Streamline your processes and workflows to maximize efficiency. Seek opportunities for automation and optimization using AI. Expand your client base, diversify your offerings, and explore new markets to multiply your income potential. Step 11. Leverage data science techniques. To maximize the effectiveness of your AI models, incorporate data science techniques into your workflow. Explore feature engineering methods to extract valuable insights from raw data. Utilize dimensionality reduction techniques to eliminate noise and improve model performance. Apply data visualization techniques to gain a better understanding of the patterns within your data. Step 12. Optimize model performance. Enhance the performance of your AI models by implementing optimization techniques. Fine-tune hyperparameters to achieve better accuracy and efficiency. Consider techniques like cross-validation, regularization, and ensemble learning to improve model robustness. Continuously monitor and analyze model performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Step 13. Implement explainability and ethical considerations. Address the growing demand for transparent and ethical AI by incorporating explainability techniques into your models. Utilize methods like feature importance analysis, shape values, or LIME to understand how your models make predictions. Ensure that your AI models adhere to ethical guidelines and legal frameworks, especially when dealing with sensitive data or decision-making processes. Step 14. Explore AI-driven investment strategies. If you have a background or interest in finance, consider exploring AI-driven investment strategies as a lucrative avenue. Utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends, predict stock prices, or identify profitable investment opportunities. Develop robust risk management techniques to safeguard investments and optimize portfolio performance. Step 15. Collaborate and network. Collaboration and networking are essential components of success in the AI industry. Seek opportunities to collaborate with other AI experts, researchers, and professionals in complementary fields. Engage in knowledge-sharing activities, participate in open-source projects, or join research initiatives to expand your network and gain exposure to new opportunities. Step 16. Stay abreast of industry trends. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed about the latest trends and advancements is crucial. Follow reputable AI blogs, podcasts, and newsletters to stay updated on industry developments. Keep an eye on emerging technologies such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, or generative models to explore new avenues for income generation. Earning $10,000 per month with AI is an achievable goal if you approach it strategically and diligently. By developing a solid understanding of AI, identifying lucrative applications, acquiring the necessary skills, building robust AI models, deploying them effectively, and monetizing your expertise, you can unlock the immense earning potential of AI. Remember, success in this field requires continuous learning, adaptation to technological advancements, and a passion for innovation. Embrace the transformative power of AI and embark on your journey toward financial success. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.